Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. Do you know that St. Patty's Day is coming soon? Well, I've got a couple appetizers that I want to share with you. Now, the first one is called Reuben bites. And again, quick and easy, and they are so yummy to make. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy they are. What I did is I took some baby red potatoes and I just boiled them so that, you know, the fork goes in really smooth. Took them out, cooled them, and then I cut them in half. And I scooped them out with a little melon baller, but what I did is I just cut the bottoms of them so that they, stay flat. I took the inside of those potatoes, I put them in a bowl, and just mixed them up, mashed them and mixed them up a little bit. Now I'm going to add some of my diced corned beef. I'm going to add some shredded cheddar cheese. And I'm going to add some melted butter. And I'm going to just mix the items together with the potatoes. So now I've got those ingredients all mixed together, and all I'm going to do is put little spoonfuls of that in each one of the potatoes. Okay, now that I have my potatoes stuffed, what I'm going to do is get a baking pan. I'm going to spray it with a little cooking spray. I'm going to put them on there, and then I'm going to pop in the oven for about 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. While that's in the oven, I'm going to show you my second appetizer that I want to share with you. Okay, now my next recipe, and again extremely easy, is Reuben tortilla pinwheels. Now what I did is I just took a package of cream cheese and I've got it nice and softened so it's easy to spread. And I'm going to add some sauerkraut, and really, what is St. Patty's Day without sauerkraut? That just can't happen. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little twist to it. I'm going to add Russian dressing to it. And those three ingredients we're just going to mix together. Okay, now I'm going to take a flour tortilla, and I'm going to take that mixture and I'm going to spread it all over the tortilla. I'm going to add my Swiss cheese and sprinkle that all over. Now, last but not least, again, not only sauerkraut, but you have to have corned beef on St. Patty's Day. And then what we're going to do is we're going to roll this up as tight as you can get it. So I'm going to start really small and roll. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my saran wrap and I'm going to put the tortilla in there and I'm going to roll it up real tight. I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. If you want to stick it in there longer, it's not going to hurt it. And I'm going to leave it in there until my party is ready to go, and I'm going to take it out and slice it. Now, I'm going to check on my Reuben bites and see if they are ready to go, and I can show you the last step of that one. Okay, now I just popped the Reuben bites out of the oven, and my last step is I'm going to put a dollop of sour cream on each one of these, top them off, and there. Now, just to give it a little color and just a little added flavor, I'm going to add a little green onion on top of each one of these. Now that these are ready to go, I'm going to check my tortillas, get those sliced up, and I'll put them on a tray for our party too. I just took this out, unwrapped it, and I'm going to slice them just like this, and I am going to lay them down on a serving tray, and you can see how beautiful a presentation they are. Okay, I have got my appetizers ready, but what is a St. Patty's Day party without beer? I have got Killian's Irish Red Beer, and it pairs perfectly with these appetizers. So make sure to run out to one of our liquor stores and grab this beer before you have your St. Patty's Day party. Enjoy!